This is the Marsha P. State Park. I like this park. And they've really changed it a lot since I've been here last. So let's see. We got a dog run, a park house, a ranger station, gravel pond, swing or playground, and a shoreline area. So now I did a video on this before, so you can learn all about Marsha P. Johnson and the controversy surrounding her life. As I am here recording, well, let's see if I can do this. Oh, nope, never mind. Kid beat me to it. As I am recording, it is actually June. And okay, it's June, which means it's Pride Month. And that's very interesting that I'm here. I just happen to be coming here. I did not plan this, but it is a lovely day. This is a gorgeous park in honor of someone. Now, we're in New York City. This is a state park, not a city park. So the state has this piece of land here. New York State has several parks within the city of New York. And you know we're going to go down to the water. Can't help it. You have to. Come down. You got to go to the shoreline. So I'm walking down here now. And then when I cut, I'll switch the battery here. Oh. Okay. And then I can walk along the shore. Hopefully there's a spot I can walk back up. So there's no swimming along the shorelines. Beachfronts and shorelines and waterfronts. We got Coney Island, Orchard Beach, Rockaway Beach. But the majority, like especially this part of Brooklyn, and then on the other side, Manhattan, no, you can't swim. I'm gonna enjoy looking at this. Hi, Manhattan. How you doing? Freedom Tower in the distance. Most people think that Marsha P. Johnson was really killed. They called it a suicide, but it was a murder. And she was really a pioneer in the modern fight to declare herself a female. See, there's more. Yeah. Wow, they really did fix this park up. I haven't been here in a while. So you walk around and you can see the fight for the community. And the state has done a great job. Friends on the fringes. Pretty cool. See if we can find Marsha's picture. I thought it was, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go down this trans rights timeline. And they updated it all the way up to 2021 here. How many years has it taken people to realize that we are all brothers and sisters and human beings in the human race? Like, honestly. It's not your cup of tea, move on. Let people be who they want to be, as long as they're not bothering you personally, like physically. Get over it. Okay, this channel is normally not about politics, but my pronoun is she. So, picnic tables over there. Ah, here's the official. The official entranceway. This is so cool. Okay, so they only have the porta potties here. There are other, oh, I stand corrected. They have other facilities here. They really did change this place. Wow. All right, we gotta go out and get some photos. I'm the NYC Traveler. We've been at the Marsha P. Johnson State Park. Live, love, travel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe.